unboxing this big ass box from Amazon. This is my early Christmas gift. So I got a couple things. I know I've been MIA for a couple weeks. The truth is I've been out of the country. I went to Spain for 2 weeks. Then I came back to work. I went to work at a different shop. For those of you that know and follow me on Instagram, you guys know that my grandmother passed away. So I had to fly to Mexico to pay my respects, and some of you guys know that. You guys send me your condolences through Facebook and Instagram, and I appreciate that. I really appreciate that a lot. And I took a little trip to Mexico over the weekend. Then I came back and I got a little gift for myself. As soon as I got back from Mexico, I came back and I was inspired by a family member. Actually, a couple of my family members, you know, they're all... I'll get into it right now. Let's just get into this unboxing real quick, because I know that's why you guys are here. So, let me tear it open. How's the lighting in here? How's the lighting in here? Because this garage has been it's been remodeled from the last time you guys saw the couple videos. I did 2 videos on the Dodge Neon, and I have a third one coming, but the third one hasn't been out yet because fucking 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it's fucking dark. And then also it's fucking pouring outside. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you can hear it. This is gonna be part of my daily routine. If you guys don't have a daily routine, you guys should get into a daily routine, get into daily habits that are gonna make you better, that are gonna get you get your mind off of things. And honestly, this right here, let me show you. I haven't even seen it, so I don't know what it looks like. But paper. Boom. I don't know anything about guitars. I know 0 things about a fucking guitar. But like I said, I took a little trip to Mexico, and I have family that's into music over there. My uncles, my aunts, my cousins, nephews. It's a fucking family thing, you know. So when my grandmother passed away, everybody was playing music. And I just felt kind of left out. I was like, fuck, you know? Like, I was close. I was this close with my grandma. Like, she was real good. She pretty much raised me every summer that I was in Mexico. And for me to not be able to play something for her, you know, because I never picked up a guitar, I felt kind of, I don't know, it just felt weird, you know? So I told myself, you know what? I'm going to go back to the U.S. I'm going to learn how to play guitar. And I'm gonna make it a habit. I'm gonna make it something that I do every day, and I'm gonna get good at it. You guys are gonna watch the progress. So let me open this up and show you what I got. Let me get closer. Oh, there's another one. Where are you? In here. Ah, right. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is nice. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside of here, because this thing is beautiful. Let me put this back in here. This shit is nice. This is what I got here. Anyways, let me open that up for you. This is dope. I've never played guitar. I have nothing to do with a guitar, but I told myself that I'm gonna learn, and I'm committed. I'm fucking committed. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. I'm gonna make this shit happen, and I'm gonna make fucking music part of my life. And now unwrapping is not part of my life, but let's see what we got here. Ooh. So those of you that want to know about brands and all that, this is what I got. I got a Fender guitar. Look at this. This thing is a beauty. Like, it's brand new, and I got it with a cutaway. Has a little chingadera here. If the audio sounds different, it's because my camera died, so I'm using my phone now. And I don't know, I'm just too excited to. Comes with a fast track guitar or whatever book. So here's a guitar. I said, guys, I know zero about a guitar. I don't know how to hold this. I don't know how to play it. But I got a good one because I know I'm going to have this shit for a while. So, it's an electric guitar. It has a Fishman chingadera. And then it has one of these fuckers on the bottom. I don't know what that is. And then it has another shit in here. For those of you that know guitars, so pretty much I want your tips and tricks. I want to know, like, where do I start? Who do you recommend to watch on YouTube? Because that's honestly where a lot of people go to learn on YouTube. You go to YouTube and you learn a bunch of shit, you know? So I want to learn how to play a guitar, and I want to be one of the fucking good ones on it. And I will be, trust me. So I got a good guitar. This one was around, I think, 250 bucks. They have some cheap ones for like 40 bucks, but being a Fender guitar, this is an acoustic electric, and it has this cutaway here. You guys, drop me your comments below. Drop me your recommendations. If any of you play instruments, or your family plays instruments or whatever, drop a comment below, because I really want to get into this shit. Aside from being an auto mechanic, I'm gonna bring you guys like day-to-day videos. But one of the reasons that I got this guitar, an instrument at all, was because one of my cousins, he's 12 years old. The kid's 12 years old, hear this. And he gets down on the guitar. He's been playing for about maybe 1 or 2 years, but he's always been around the music. He's been playing drums, and he recently picked up a guitar, and I guess when you have it in your blood, you have it. So right now I'm gonna leave you guys with a little clip. For him being 12 years old, he goes out and he plays with his dad and his uncles and his cousins, and that's just the way life is in Mexico. You're thrown into this shit, you know. You're not like, oh, well, if you want to play, you play. No, this is if you got shit to do, you're gonna go play. You're gonna go play regardless. It's just a good I don't know how do you say it. It's a good way to pass time with your family during the holidays. When you guys go out to a barbecue, or you know, whatever, just you pop out a guitar and you start playing music, and everybody's gonna listen to you. So.
¿Cuándo? Mañana. Mañana se vaya. Mañana un rato, pues.
Parados aviones se miraban y entre porque la que viajaba la colombiana. Ellos así lo transportaban, la del pueblo detectaba. La colocaban con los dedos y los dedos les llegaban. Muy inteligente, bueno para cerrar los tratos. Rusos, orientales, colombianos e italianos. Referente de mercado, por eso fue un alto mando. Los Carrillo brindan el contrabando. En su mente viajadores de idea muy brillante, mantener los aviones comerciales y su aerolíneas estrenadas. Se miraba, solo haciendo fue creciendo por muchas toneladas.
Él toca, ustedes canten. Bueno, pues me quito. Para ponerme a pensar, mejor me pongo a fumar. Hierbita mala, como me encanta. Nadie sabe los problemas que hay en casa. Dígale, dígale.
Y luego sigue lo que sigue.
Se lo dedico.
los que se adelantaron en el camino. Si me pongo a callar, me pierdo el espacio. En menos de un minuto me pongo bien marihuano. Ando gripas.